Hi guys, welcome to I Review Beauty channel, the encyclopedia of beauty brands. Today I am talking about the product which is called Normaderm by Vichy Normaderm. Well, this is the new formula of the cream, so it's a new product and it's good for sensitive skin. As almost all Vichy products, they are based on thermal spa water and definitely allergy tested. So this is a beautifying anti-acne care. So I would recommend this product for someone with more mature skin. Not like teenagers obviously could use it still, but because it's also anti-aging and beautifying. But if you're still suffering from adult acne, for example, this is a product to go. The only thing that helps with acne here is obviously salicylic acid is in a moderate amount of 1.5%. We all know that salicylic acid is a perfect acne treatment, but every skin is really different. Even though this product claims to be good for sensitive skin, salicylic acid might not be for all sensitive skin. We are all so different, right? Unique, and this product has other ingredients, obviously here, but I would say it also has fragrance. A lot of people with sensitive skin would not like would not like the fragrance. So it's actually something you need to see for yourself. I personally like this cream and my skin is indeed sensitive. I love to use it in a daytime routine, and if you're using something with salicylic acid, I'll try to find a good SPF product. So this product, besides the acne, helps with pores and the shine, and as it claims, dull complexion. So I think the last statement is a little bit probably not so true because it doesn't have any other acids that could help to reveal that complexion. The way you're going to use it, apply it in the morning. It's paraben-free, non-comedogenic. But again, I will not get tired saying it. We're so different, unique, and you need to try this for yourself. It has fragrance, just make sure you remember that, but it's kind of pleasant. It's not like the overwhelming fragrance, I would say. Now, it's good for adult blemish-prone skin. I hope you like this video, guys. If you like it, please do not forget to put the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you with another video.